family boutique from Ottawa with huge discounts and a closing sale story. This is Emma and Ethan Ottawa, but is it legit or another risky online fashion store? So the site presents itself as a Canadian family-run boutique with over 10 years of experience, offering stylish clothing at major discounts during a clearance or closing sale. It also uses emotional storytelling about growth, family, and transitioning into new collections. At first glance, it feels trustworthy. It has a clean professional website design, positive customer reviews shown on site, and claims of free shipping and 30-day returns. These are standard features of many real online stores. But there are some big warning signs. Constant clearance and closing sale urgency tactics. Similar Emma and Ethan stores reuse the same story across different cities, and products and branding appear duplicated across multiple sites, a common dropshipping pattern. Even similar stores like Emma style boutiques have complaints of items shipping from China, not locally, poor quality versus advertised photos, and difficult or partial refunds. So is Emma and Ethan Ottawa real or fake? It's not a proven scam, but it's high risk. It's likely not a true local boutique and strong signs of dropshipping style store. The bottom line, Emma and Ethan Ottawa looks like a typical clothing boutique online store with misleading branding, so it's best to shop carefully or avoid it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.